I'm not trying to disrespect Jesus. I'm just trying to say welcome to Zambia. Nah, man. I had a dream one day that Jesus Christ came to Zambia as a tourist, and it left my mind in a little bitty twist. Had to pick him up from the airport. The dreams that you carry you should never abort. That's the first thing he said to me. So I introduced myself as the yellow dove. I told him I was gonna be his tour guide. He'll be glorified, yeah, we gonna ride. But the industry doesn't pay much, so I never had any money for a cab. Told him let's walk, we began to talk. Told him about the colors on the national flag. Had to leave my pants so he doesn't know that I sat. Before I knew it, it was lunchtime. I didn't even know his favorite dish, so I just got him bread and fish. Then we went down to my room at Unza. Started asking me why we always throw stones at cars. Before I could give a reply, I woke up just in the blink of an eye. I was shivering. What if Jesus really came? Kept wondering, would I have the guts to even introduce him to my girl? Say,
what would Jesus do if he came to Zambia? What would Jesus do? What would Jesus do if he came to Zambia? What would Jesus do?
I would take him to Mazioba compound. Shelter for everyone would be found. Then I would take him to Chachacha Road, and at night he would warm those who sleep in the cold. He would also feed the street children. With him by the side there'll be no problem. The streets wouldn't be the residents. Flash buses wouldn't cause accidents. Investors wouldn't keep a distance. He would also increase our life expectancy. If Jesus visited the land of Zambia, he would make it a better place. He would put a smile on the face of a child. He would make sure she never gets defiled. He would help us youths always abstain. Working hard at school we would maintain. And I would ask him to provide misdemeanors. And I would make sure he supports the gunners. Would he walk on Zambezi River, visit TBN and then pull a diva? Then I would take him to Leopards Hill to resurrect all those who were missing still. I would ask him to resurrect Uncle Mishek. I miss him and I wish he was here.
What would Jesus do if he came to Zambia? What would Jesus do? What would Jesus do if he came to Zambia? What would Jesus do?
43 years now, what a beautiful journey. First book, I would make him really show me the money. He would make sure he provides employment. What would he think about Chinese investment? And I would ask him to bless our ladies. Ask him why the rich keep getting richer and the poor keep getting babies. Ask him to reveal the right person we should vote for in the next election. Bless the DJ for making this selection. But would he shake hands with Neighbors Mumba? Would he dance to gospel rumba? I bet he would wash all of our sin. At the same time he would keep Zambia clean. What would he do? I really wonder. Would he even board the Nali Kwanda? Heal all those with HIV. He would change a lot of things if he heard you say,
what would Jesus do if he came